All right, let's take a quick look at how to create a simple query using the wizard. So, just like making the other queries, I'm going to go to the Create tab, but instead of clicking Query Design, I'm going to click Query Wizard, and I want to do a simple query, so that's highlighted. Okay. Now, it's going to ask me which fields I want and where I want to pull them from. And right here, I'm going to choose the Clients table. And then here I'm going to choose the fields in the clients table. So I want client ID. And I also want the client right here. So I'll put that in. And then I want to choose a different table. I want the sales table. And then I'm going to add in sales 2010 here and 2011. So this double pointing arrow would move all of the fields on the left over to the right. So I'm just doing one at a time using that single arrow right there. And then we're going to go next. And you can play around with this a little bit if you want a detail or summary view. It does give you some different options there, how you want it to present. And it gives you a little sample over here in this window. But we're going to do detail. And then here, what we're going to call it, we get to title it right here. So let's call it Client 2010-2011 Sales. And then we're going to open the query to view information. If I wasn't sure I was quite right, I could click Modify the Query Design before I actually ran it, but let's run it. And here we've got our client ID number with the client and then the sales for 2010 and 2011. And if we want to see what it looks like in Design View, I'll go to the Home tab and click the Design View, and here's how it's set up. So it is very simple, and we could have done it in this view too, but using the wizard sometimes makes more sense.